Hello and welcome to another video. Today I want to show you something different. I want to make you to understand the electronical repairs is not for everyone. If you don't have the skills, don't do like that. Or at least don't take the money from the people pretending you can repair these things and destroy the board. This board, if you have a little bit experience, you will know it comes from a radio from Volkswagen Phaeton. Okay, it looks like that. I will show you. Okay, it's fucking expensive. Also, used one will be around 800 euro. The cheapest one is 800 euro if it works. But the problem is with this board, the guy who tried to repair this board or attempt to repair this board, he destroyed almost all the board. Before to clean it, it was everywhere this white thermal paste. Okay, but almost everywhere. Look, he cut also this one because the capacitor what he soldered here, they are much bigger, they are much higher, and he make the hole here, then they will come out of this things, of this protection, of this cooling things. Okay, but pay attention over here because this is most important things what I want to show you. And I don't know, I believe also my son, he can do better than that, and it's only 9 years old. I mean, like, how the fuck you can be able to destroy a board like that? Pay attention over here. Look, every capacitor, the plastic is melted. As I said, if you have little bit experience with this board, you will notice this capacitor, it should be 180 degrees. It should be like this one. Okay, he put too much heat, and I'm sure the capacitor from here blow up, or I don't know what happens with the another one, or how he can solder like that. Because if you are not able to see, you don't make electronic. At least you should see in which position you have the capacitors. Okay, pay attention. This small capacitor, it almost go from his position. Look on this solder here. This pin, it is not soldered here. Look, he replaced this one, but here he forget to solder another one. Here it's a missing capacitor. Will have same value like this one. Okay, he soldered this one, I don't know why, because I'm sure from the heat he destroyed also this one. He tried to solder this shit here, and he almost make a bridge. Okay, I leave this one like that, and I will show you what the real problem it is on this board. Repairing knowledges, it have nothing to do with YouTube, okay, or forums. Pay attention. We have ground and ground, yeah, but pay attention also over here. Short. Fucking short. Okay, pay attention. Also double short, yes. I mean, like, how the fuck you can tell for the people you have a shop for repairing electronics if you do like that? I cannot understand why the people open the shops for repairing if they are not able at least to solder back the components on the same position. Please don't do like that. If you don't have experience, or if you want to try, at least try on the computer PCB, or I don't know, laptop PCB. try over there your skills, try to solder, unsolder, and if you are able to do over there, then you can play a little bit over here on your risk. But the owner of this radio, he bring it to this electronic repair shops and they repair it like that. I mean, if you can tell, this is a repairing. Okay, not so much to say, it's just don't do like that. You'll destroy your board, or if you are not able to do, better leave it like that. Tell for the people you cannot repair it, but don't make this garbage over here. Okay, I hope you learned something from this video. I hope you don't do these mistakes. At least if you want to try repairing, take a picture. It will take you 10 seconds, 20 seconds, not only one. Take 2-3 pictures, because maybe you delete one and you don't notice, and you delete the picture, and after that you don't have the backup of this picture. But the most important is to have the diagram plan, or if you don't have the diagram plan, at least take a picture of this view. And if you do mistake, or if something blow from the heat from here, you'll be able to put it back. Okay, as I said, I hope you don't do this mistake. Also, if you are a beginner, I'm sure you are much better than this idiot who tried to repair this board. And I hope you learned something from this video and you don't repeat, or you don't make such of mistakes. Okay, before to close this video, I will remove this capacitor and we will see if something change over here, or if we'll still have the short. Okay, and as you can notice, I remove the capacitors, 3 capacitors from here. I remove this one from here and this one from here, and also this one. But if you noticed here on the screen, we still have a short. This board doesn't touch here. I look it and it doesn't touch here. The guy managed to destroy a PCB from a control unit or an interface which I believe is €2,500, something like that, if you'll buy this new one. As I said, it's €800 used one. Okay, the guy who tried to repair this one, he destroyed all this board. I'm sure the short is over here, because I don't know if you are able to see, but the distance is much higher here than here. He melt this plastic over here. He put too much heat on this attempt of repairing. Okay, and if you put also too much heat, you'll overcook this microcontroller. Okay, you can order a new component. I'm sure here down on the solder it's a short between the legs there, because I'm sure he tried to push on this for a better connection. But as I said, don't do like that. Don't have experience, don't try it. Okay, look again. Look here. I don't know. Okay, I hope it was useful for you. I hope you don't repeat these mistakes. Don't do like that, and stay safe. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye. I know I said I will close the video, but do you know, after closing this video, I decided to unsolder this processor. I said, why not? Anyway, it's nothing to lose. First, I decided to remove this one from here, the capacitor, these two from here, and I said, let's see if we still have a short. I desoldered this one because it's not good soldered, and the short, as you was able to see few seconds or 1 minute back, it was present. And I said, let's remove the processor, because I was sure the guy who tried to solder this, he pressed on that processor. Okay, and when you press on the chip, you should be sure this happens over there. You sure the legs. And let's see now, take the multimeter and let's see if we still have a short or not. I will move the camera to the left hand, and you can notice there's no short anymore. Okay, doesn't matter where we go. You go there, you come here, the results will be the same. You see, also no short. As I said, this one was shorted. I don't know, I don't try to revolt this one. because I'm sure it was overheated, and inside it is also destroyed, and I don't want to lose my time. But anyway, this happens when you press on the chip. Okay, just use flux, put the flux there, and now this board it is able to run again. If you'll put back the capacitors here, okay, on the position, you'll make a little bit the solder and replace this one. You'll have 100% functionality on this board, okay? And as I said, I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.